Welcome everybody. Welcome in my show Plug Unplug. I invite you in a very special place. It's Fairyland and I have selected 3 pieces that are on my online show. Plug Unplug because I explore how horses connect us to our personal space and more specifically how we can connect and disconnect. Today is the launch of my show and I have chosen the 5th of June because it's the World Environmental Day. And I have a little story. Imagine in 1861, 2 painters, the painter Corot, French, and Millet, are going to meet the famous writer and politician Victor Hugo. This morning they are very excited because they will celebrate the creation of the first artistic reserve. The very first artistic reserve in Fontainebleau, and later on the Yellowstone National Park has been created. I'm so glad that before that protected area were first an artistic reserve, because when you paint or you draw outside, you notice everything about nature, about the environment, and you notice the good and the bad. So this is in memory of some of my very good painters I really like. So this piece is called Mark the Boundaries because it has been inspired by 2 of my favorite horses that I have looked at and drawn a lot outside. And of course, when I draw, I sit down and I really look at what they are doing, and I notice that sometimes they are all together and suddenly one of them goes off and leaves, and it's almost like this one needs his or his personal space. No apologies, he just does it. And I think it's a wonderful example on how horses can help us to do what's good for us. So thank you so much for watching, and of course these are only 3 pieces. If you want to see the full collection, I invite you to click on the link and you can see the full collection in a virtual gallery. Thank you so much for your support. Hello again! So we have special guest here for the launch of Plug Unplug. Indigène, please. This is the escape. I think they are very interested in the grass. Thank you so much, and if you want to see the full collection, just go online. Below there is a link and you can see the entire show. Thank you so much for your support.
Hello.